Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Stella and I make videos from Uyo, Akwa, Ibom State. Now a lot of you had given me requests to give you recipe of Afang soup. I have my water leaf on fire now. If you want to get the best out of your water leaf, cut it at home. Try this and thank me later. I had put in a generous amount of palm oil in there. I have my fish. I'm putting in my crayfish now. I had put in pepper already and a little bit of seasoning cube. I'm putting more crayfish. Instead of adding a lot of seasoning cubes, I rather add a lot of crayfish. Yeah, I'm in the riverine area, so what do you expect? Look at my soup boiling nicely. Take note that my water leaf is being cut very tiny. Nicely and gently stir it and to just get the little things I have put in there to get to incorporate. Like I said earlier, the way you cut your water leaf gives it a different feel. So yeah, just give it a good stir. Stir it and stir it and stir it. Yeah, let me know what your favorite soup is in the comment section, and here you have your chef here. Yeah guys, so my water leaf is boiling nicely now. I see a lot of people actually boil their water leaf until it is dead, like it is brown, it is black, it is dark. You don't need to do that. What is Afang soup if your leaf is not fresh and green? I have my protein in there. Oh my gosh, this soup is already looking so yummy. Like I'm not done and I just feel like eating from it already. So my protein is in there. Let's go ahead and stir it and we'll be back. Someone would ask, why are you using spatula to stir instead of spoon? I don't know, I just love using it. If you notice, I didn't put a single extra water into the soup. The only water you're going to see or I would be using is the water from the meat stock. Yeah, there's no Afang soup with water. Like you don't have to put water in your Afang soup, really. That's not the proper way the Calabar people make their Afang soup. Yeah, so I have my pepper. I had put in more crayfish and a little bit of salt because I have already added my meat stock, so I'm sure that the salt in there is just not enough. So yeah, I added a little bit more. I'll just go ahead and stir. And oh my god, people of God, please, if you have not eaten Afang before, let me know in the comment section. Do let me know in the comment section because this soup is just everything. And if you want to give it a try, also let me know in the comment section. I have put in my Afang right now. Yes, that is the last thing that should be done. Once Afang gets into the pot of soup, the soup is ready. As simple as that. Look at that, green, and oh geez, someone help me. Come in with your choice swallow. Let me know what's your choice swallow. What swallow would you want to eat with this yummy looking Afang soup? When I was small and my mom used to make large pots of soups, I usually wonder, what's this woman doing? And no be person tell me, my people, like I got into her shoe years later and I can't tell you my experience. Honestly, I don't like entering the kitchen every now and then, so I make large pots of soups. All right, so at this point in time, our Afang soup is what? It's ready. God, please, if you're always cooking your Afang soup to get so dark, that is not the standard. That is not the Calabar style. Okay, so you have our Afang soup here. Oh my god, just is this Afang soup not calling your name? Answer your name with your full chest. Just answer your name. And if you don't like Afang soup, do let me know. Why don't you like Afang soup, or why haven't you eaten Afang soup already? All right guys, so that's it. I am now dishing the soups into my container. If you had watched my last video, I showed you the containers I use in stocking soups in the freezer. So I'm actually dishing into those containers right now, and yeah, after this we will be going down with our fufu. Some people will be asking, Stella, what's the occasion? There is no occasion whatsoever. This is how I cook for my household, and it takes us a few weeks or months. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If this is your first time here, do let me know in the comment section. Have you made afang before? Have you eaten afang before? Would you love to try afang soup? It's a delicacy you can never miss in Nigeria. Okay, so yeah, this is how I actually cook for my household. I'm sorry I couldn't show you the previous soup I made. I made melon soup, and you know, I know it's yummy. So this is how I actually cook for my household, and it takes us for weeks and months. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe so that you can see other videos like this anytime I post. And please share this video if you found it helpful and interesting. I'll see you in my very next video. Forget about the way I look. I'm actually in the kitchen, so yeah. I love you guys. I am done dishing my soup into these containers. I have 4 liters each of this particular soup in 3 different places. Like I said earlier, it's going to take us a while, like for weeks if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this is not the only soup I made. I made another soup actually. So if you haven't seen my immediate past video, please go and check that video out. Enjoy the sight of this afang soup. If you want to try this afang soup, or if you try, just tag me on my social media handles. Wow guys, it's been a crazy day, and I just finished making 2 pots of soup. Like you can see here, I have afang, melon soup, afang, and afang. Alright, I have 3 containers of afang and 2 containers of melon soup, including these smaller ones. Are you drooling? Just lick your screen if you don't mind. Lick your screen, oh, lick your screen. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. Kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Share it to as many people that you would want to share this recipe with. And I'll see you in my next video.